Hey y'all, it's your girl Tamia here, and I am finally back with a brand new video for you guys today. So y'all, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a productive day in my life vlog. I'm going to be taking y'all to work with me today. Today is actually Monday, April 22nd, so I am a little late uploading this video, but we're just going to ignore that. But yeah, anyways, y'all, it is time to get up and start my day. So I'm currently working 2 jobs at the moment, but luckily today I only have to work at my main job, which is a optician at an optometrist office. So I basically deal with glasses and contact lenses all day. So today is actually going to be a somewhat easier day for me since Mondays are usually pretty slow. But yeah, first things first, I'm just going to go ahead and make up my bed, which I usually don't do on a daily basis because some days I'm lazy. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to make up the bed. But yeah, y'all, now it's just time to head into the bathroom and start my daily routine. First and foremost, I just go ahead and brush my teeth and then use my little floss picks and also some mouthwash. And then it's also time to do my daily skincare routine for the morning. I'm not going to get too in depth in that just because that can be a whole video on its own. So y'all see the little products that I'm using. But yeah, y'all, anyways, after I'm done in the restroom, I just got to go complete some stuff from the night before, like washing some dishes and stuff like that. And then I'll be on the camera to talk to y'all. So if y'all enjoy this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure y'all also subscribe to my channel, which is linked in that down below. And make sure y'all connect with me on all my other social media, which is also linked in the down below. As I mentioned, I hope y'all enjoy this video and I'll see y'all on camera in a little bit. So I'm just gonna turn on this light. First, we're gonna start making my coffee. I did already put some water in there last night, and my coffee is here just in my fridge. I got my little coffee filters. For my coffee, this is just from Aldi. This is the Instant Classic Roast. I don't really gauge anything. I just kind of pour a little bit in there, and that looks good. Then we just close it, and I'm gonna press the on button. Coffee is making. I'm gonna go ahead and wash those dishes. I'm gonna just set y'all right there. I didn't even show y'all like the inside of the and I really don't want to because I'm taking theirs. By the way, I have the cutest little cup that I got from work. It's a red like wine glass cup and it says raise a glass on it and like gold writing. And then at the back it has the Kate Spade New York logo. I want some of your whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love. So y'all, now I'm gonna go ahead and find what I'm wearing to work today. First and foremost, I'm gonna plug up the iron real quick so I can iron my clothes. I probably should have did all of this last night, but procrastination. I think today for work, I want to wear this shirt with just my khaki capri pants. And then for shoes, since this shirt has a little bit of this lighter color in it, I'm thinking I'm just going to wear these.
Hey, little mama, would you like to be my sunshine? No telling.
So y'all, I'm all dressed and ready to go. I kind of tucked my shirt in a little bit. I still gotta kind of fix it, but it looks okay for now. Just about to go ahead and do my hair really quick. I just kind of like pull it back in a half up, half down style just because it's the easiest. I did do my own hair. These are just like crochet faux locks that I did individually. And now I'm gonna just take some Eco Styler gel, which I need to invest in some real edge control.
When I go and vacay, I might run out the Bahamas and I keep like 10 phones.
And then I'm just gonna take some braid sheen spray and spray it.
I copy what I'm on. Nigga, get your own, tryna pick a nigga bone. Worth the brother skill.
So now that I got my deodorant on, I'm gonna just get some of this body cream. So this is 1,000 Wishes by Bath and Body Works.
Like a Hogan. I know you know my slogan. If it ain't about guap, I'm gone. Niggas hating cause I'm chosen from the concrete I had rolled. Shorty staring at my necklace cause my diamonds really falls. Put that dick up in her pussy, bet she feel it in her
So for my jewelry, it's really simple. I have my James Avery ring here, which I always put on my middle finger. Next, I'm gonna just put on my earrings. These are just some little cheap stud earrings. I have this cute little cross necklace here, which I just got from Shein. There's my necklace. And then I also have this really cute little charm bracelet from Shein. So yeah, I almost forgot body spray, which is like the most important thing. So the first body spray I was using, I forgot to show y'all. This is Angel Mist by Victoria's Secret. And this is Strawberry Pound Cake from Bath & Body Works, which is one of my all-time favorite scents from them. So y'all, it is around 9:05, which means I'm probably gonna be at least a few minutes late because I still gotta walk the dog and pack up my bags. And then let's do a quick little OOTD. Shirt, Shein. Pants, Shein. Shoes, Shein. So before we go and walk this little precious little baby, look at them, we're gonna go ahead and pack up my bag really quick. First, I'm gonna pack up all of my pens and my planner. Then I'm also going to pack my laptop and my iPad, also my phone charger, which is over here. So y'all, for my lip gloss, I've been using the Ruby Kisses Hydrating Lip Oil. This stuff is amazing. It makes my lips so freaking soft. But anyway, y'all, my bag is all packed and ready to go. Ready to go, buddy? I'm gonna put your leash on. We gotta get a little poop bag. Let's go.
I fucked her on the spot, I'm just being honest. I'ma stack it till it right, I'm just being.
Did you miss her? That's so adorable. So y'all, I am now finished walking the little puppy dog. Come on, let's go ahead and go in your crate. Come on, let's go. Go inside, honey. I'm about to get everything ready to go. We made it, y'all. We made it. Let me go ahead and put my car in park before I forget. But before I get at this car, what I'm going to do is clock in, because I'm not clocking in when I walk into the place. I clock in before I go in. That's the key to making more money. Hey, y'all. Good morning. Feel. No. No. Did you look on Superior? No, not yet. Oh. But the most frightening thing is you and me. I'm not scared of lions and tigers and bears. What I'm scared of. I'm not scared to perform any slow down affairs. What I'm scared of. At a point, you gotta know what to draw the line. Yeah, like nobody minds. You know, everybody has hobbies, but we get our real work done first, and then we attend to our hobbies. You know, but Ross is wrong for that. I would have to tell him, look, hey, I signed up for part-time hours. I come in to help every now and then. If I'm only working 20 hours, 25 hours a week, that's all I want. Don't give me nothing more. Ross is bad at that because they do the same thing with my sister. It's been a busy, somewhat busy day, y'all. To be honest, it's been okay. But it's almost time for lunch. It's 12:52 right now. Our lunch time is like 1 to 2. So I have one last patient in the room, and then after that, I'm gonna check her out, and then probably go get me something to eat. So y'all, I am now in my car on my way to give me something to eat for lunch. I decided that I'm gonna go and eat Wendy's for lunch today. The bags are secure, y'all. Got me a little $5 biggie bag, hamburger, spicy nuggets, fries, and a lemonade. All of these. We got a whole new batch of them back there. Both case pays. That's why she, yeah, well, she ordered double purposely because we don't really sell Gucci.
I send it to Benzo. I can't put it in my song, I know how to feel goes. We ain't free out of the house, but I ain't no fam goon. Gave my mama 10 bands, sent me to Cancun. Got the crowd going down, but I ain't no damn fool. If I went in there and did it, they made it, you can too. We done came a long way from broken shan shoes. When you reach like this, you check the forecast, every day it's gon' rain. Yeah, made a brick do a brick, gang, group up shit, this pure cocaine. Yeah, from the streets, but I got a little sense, but I had to go coop, no brain. No brain, I ain't worried about you, I'ma do what I do.
So y'all, I am finally off of work. I'm currently driving home. It's a little after 6 and I'm about to go home. I was gonna go to Walmart after work today, but I think I'm just gonna go in the morning after my lab appointment. So y'all, there was actually a quick little change of plans. I'm gonna go to Walmart right now, mainly because there was a train on the track, so I went the opposite direction to get to my house, and I was like, well, since I'm already going this way, I might as well go to Walmart. So y'all, I finally made it home. I got all the stuff out the car from Walmart, and now I'm about to go and walk Paco because he's being very impatient at the moment. He's literally running to the door. So let's grab a poop bag and his little leash and let's go. Oh wow, he is growling at me.
Just like your mama, she knows. Hate to say I told you so. What if first I didn't know, but now it's good to me.
Okay y'all, so I'm done walking the dog. So now I'm gonna show y'all everything that I got at Walmart. First and foremost, I got some more tissue. I got just like a bunch of cleaning stuff because I'm used to like re-up on a lot of cleaning stuff. So I got another O-Cedar mop head. I got some deodorant, which is not a cleaning item, but I needed some deodorant, so I got the double pack. Got another bag. I got some incense. I got some disinfectant wipes. This is just a small pack. Usually I buy the jumbo one. I got some more Comet, and then I got some toilet bowl. Anyways, I'm gonna put these up underneath the sink and put all of my stuff away. After that, I'm gonna go take a shower and find something to eat. Yeah, I'll try to update y'all whenever I get a chance. So yeah. Oh, 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 oh.
Chemistry was crazy from the get-go. Neither one of us knew why.
So y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower really quick and then do my nighttime skincare routine. After that, I'm gonna warm me up some food and then edit my video for the rest of the night.
They see that we did that. It's so true that we've been through it.